equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back cover. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the prying tool to lift the back cover off. Take a moment to clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth. This helps prevent dust from affecting performance. Next, locate the LCD cover. Remove the screws holding it in place. Gently detach the old LCD cover, being cautious not to damage any cables. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it properly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. For the screen, disconnect the old one by carefully unplugging the cables. Connect the new screen, ensuring a snug fit. Before sealing everything up, do a visual inspection. Check for any loose connections or debris. Finally, replace the back cover and screw it back on. Power on your device to test the new screen. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.